Hello, I'm Anusha TJ, pursuing in Alva MSc College, Department of Electronics and Communication Engineering, Ballari. My today's internship project title is Voice Control Car Using Arduino under the guidance of Sridhar Bilagi Sir. Contains it includes introduction, components required, circuit design, working, advantages and disadvantages, applications. Let us move on to introduction. By the by, we are designing embedded system using an Arduino. What do you mean by Arduino? Arduino is nothing but it is an open source electronic platform. It is very easy to use hardware and software. Arduino boards are able to read inputs, light on a sensor, finger on a button, and it can turn it to output. By using Arduino board, we can make many projects. It runs on Mac, Windows, and Linux with a low cost. Okay, now how do I use Arduino? Okay, we will need to set up the software to program your board. Arduino software IDE allows you to write program and upload them into your board. Arduino most widely used technique of embedded system. Arduino Uno is based on Atmega 328 and it's very simple to use. Now let us move on to components required. It requires Arduino Uno, breadboard, we require two motors, two wheels, chassis, voltage regulators, L293D, 12 volts battery, jumper wires, Bluetooth module HC05. This is a circuit design. Now we'll discuss one by one circuit and how it has developed. Okay, now we'll discuss about Bluetooth. What do you mean by the Bluetooth? Bluetooth is nothing but it is an easy to use Bluetooth serial port and it is designed for wireless serial connection setup with complete 2.4 GHz and it has required 3.3 volts to 5 volts input and output. By the by, how the circuit is designed. See, everyone have used remote control car, but what about a voice controlled car? We ever used it. So, if not, build it now. And just you need an Arduino and a smartphone. So I have developed this project that we can use voice functionality to your future. By seeing diagram, connect motor driver input and then connect to motor driver output with a couple of screws and fix the wheels. I have connected my L293 driver. What do you mean by L293 driver? It is a dual edge bridge high current motor driver. It is used here because digital pins of Arduino cannot source enough current to drive the motor of the robot cars or some other car. So, I have connected fix the motors with screw and fix motor driver and breadboard double-sided tabs. Also, fix the caster wheel by seeing the diagram. Your chassis can be different, so check it carefully and attach carefully. About testing an app working principle, and the name of the app is Speech Recognition App. Voice features actually works with Bluetooth. So download it and install in your smartphone and pair with HC05. See, if you're connecting with beforehand, we have to connect because if we connect suddenly, it won't connect. It says error. So first by using an hand, you connect with a password 1234 or 000. If it does not pair, try again. Now, after you speak on app, after a couple of seconds, it returns what you just said on the mobile screen. It actually use Google Voice. So, now what you said is transmitted over Bluetooth. Upload and test code. See, for uploading, we have to remove RX and TX. RX and TX is nothing but receiver and transmitter. lines while uploading. After uploading, reinsert again. By HC05 will accept the data using serial read function. Why we have used the serial read function? Because we have to set the baud rate. If we set the serial read function, what we said in the Bluetooth, it gives the information in the serial read function with a baud rate of 9600. See what you just said on the serial monitor. Now let us move on to the working. Just now I said this project describes the implementation of voice controlled car using Arduino. What do you mean by voice controlled car? Voice controlled car is nothing but it is a toy concept based on voice recognition technology. The car has 50-foot radius from where it initially placed on the ground. How do you make voice control car? See, first, parts needed. You can find all the parts what I have discussed in the circuit design. Configure the car and program in your voice commands, and then upgrade the car. Arduino will control the movement of car according to the received commands. The car moves forward, backward, left, right, and it also dances, and at last it stops. The system consists of transmitter. Transmitter is an Android smartphone, and the receiver is an car. See, this is an ARM voice. It is a Bluetooth. What we have said, it will repeat and it regenerates. The app name is Android Speech Recognition App. When the app is running in the smartphone user voice, commands are detected by microphone present in the phone. Commands are processed and speech to text conversion is done within the app using Google Speech Recognition Technology application. Text is then sent to the receiver side for car via Bluetooth. This is a different voice command. The voice commands are forward, backward, right, left, stop. What does the forward do? Forward, car will move forward. Backward will move backward. What do you mean by right? It previously turned first forward, so the car turns right and then continues to move forward. And if previous command was backward, the car will turn right in backward and continues to move backward. Left, if previous command was forward, the car turns left and continue to move forward. If previous command was backward, the car turns left and continues to move backward. This one by one will step goes on. So what do you mean by last stop? Car will stop moving. This is a model of the project what I have explained in the circuit design. See, we can find Arduino, chassis, wheels, and Bluetooth connections, motor drivers, and all. Advantages. What are the advantages in the voice control car? High speed, simplify your home security, improve your mornings. If it loses the remote, then this is also advantage for us, and it eliminates handwriting and spelling problems. Disadvantages. It requires large amount of memory to store voice files, and it is also difficult to use in the classrooms due to more interference noise. Applications. It can be used in military industry, controlling toys using voice. By putting webcam and GPS device, we can control your robot wireless, and it can be command and control our appliances. These are the advantages, disadvantages and applications what we have discussed now. Thank you.